In this video, we're going to wire the Akuvox EC33 lift control with an elevator. In this scenario, residents will be able to swipe their key fob in an elevator and gain access to their desired floor. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. For this project, we will need the elevator controller, Akuvox EC33, wires, a flathead screwdriver, and an elevator button panel. We will be using the number 1 button to substitute for the button panel. Please refer to the official wiring guide for additional guidance. Change the status of the Akuvox EC33 to NO by moving the connector. This will ensure that the elevator button will only light up when pressed. In contrast, if the status is set to NC, the button will remain illuminated until it is pressed. In this example, we will wire the elevator's number 1 button, which would be the first floor. In order to do so, connect the 2 wires of the button to EC33's terminal COM1 and N01. Now we can power on the devices. After adding the user's access credentials and granting access to the first floor, when the user swipes the fob on the door phone, you will see that the indicator lights corresponding to the desired floor are illuminated on the EC33. After pressing the button, the user will now have elevator access to their desired floor. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.